Hi, I'm Misha Daniel from Innovative Learning, and I just want to talk to you today about using Flubaroo with forms to create assessments that can be graded very easily and effortlessly. You won't have to do hardly anything at all to do this, and you won't have to be printing out bubble sheets or answer keys or even the tests themselves because everything can be done completely online. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at my screen here, and you'll see that I called this one President's Quiz, okay? And what I did was I came up with some questions. Now, the first question that I came up with was for them to insert their full name in a text box. And here's that text box right here. And then I asked them some questions. And you can ask any kind of question that you want, whether it be multiple choice, true, false, if you want them to put some text in there. Whatever type of question that you want to choose from forms, you can do that. You can make as many questions as you want as well. Once you do that and you send out the form, then you're going to be getting responses. And if you look right up here, it shows that I already have 5 responses. So I'm going to go ahead and click right in there. And I'm going to say I want to view the responses. And now look at this. It's going to come up and it's going to be a spreadsheet. Now, if I have everybody in my class who do this, not just 5, I'm going to have a whole lot of information that I'm going to have to go through. I don't want to have to do that. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to have Flubaroo do it for me. Now that I'm in the Google Sheets, which is where the data lives, I can actually add the Flubaroo add-on and use it. So if I go right up here to add-ons, and you'll see that I already have Flubaroo right there. But if I didn't have it, I just click Get Add-ons. I look for Flubaroo, and then I add it. And then I can use it any time that I use the data portion of forms. So if I go up here to Flubaroo, and I want to grade this assignment, and now it's going to give me some options here. It's kind of going to look at everything that I've actually included within this data sheet. Now, the first one says Identify Student. That's the full name. Yes, I want to keep that. All right, normal grading. I can normal grade. I can grade by hand. I can do it on any number of things here. But I want you to look here at the points. I have a 1 to 10 point scale. I can make I can make each question from having worth 1 point or worth 10 points. All right. So and then it also will give you the question of what it is. So okay, that all looks good. I have the questions all good. So I'm going to click Continue. And now it's going to ask me, okay, well, which one am I going to grade off of? Which one's going to be my key? Now, if I want to be really quick, I would go ahead and I would put answer key as my name, and then I would find the name right here. But I know that Shelly actually answered all of these questions correctly because I went and I checked. So I'm going to click Continue because she is my key. But I actually, again, I could make my own key and I could name it whatever I wanted to name it. And then the name of answer key could appear right here. So I click Continue. Now it's grading the assignment. All right, here we go. Here's my full grading report. All right. Grading is complete. And if I look here, now it's going to give me their names and it's going to give me their total points on the test. So if I know I had 4 questions and each question was worth 10 points, I know that the top that you could get is 40 points. So if I look here, I see that Larry, oh, he missed one, so he got a 30, so he got a 75%. I'm sorry, Larry. And you see Alex, oh, he only got 1 question right, so we need to go back and check his progress and see what he's doing. Alex and Eric, they're smart kids. They did really well. They got 100%. This is going to be really easy for me to put this into my grade book now. I have everything already graded for me. I didn't have to do anything. I did it in like a minute. I'm not standing at that machine scanning my bubble sheets. I'm not printing bubble sheets, which requires paper and toner and a whole lot of my time. I didn't have to do that. All I did was click an add-on and tell it to grade it for me. That's how you use Flubaroo. If you have any other questions, of course, you call our department. Thanks so much for watching today. Have a great day.